Rini Sandler.
First of all, both sides, both the defense can't let the client go astray and has to stay on point here because they're just giving ammunition to the prosecution. And on the other hand, the prosecutor tends to be arrogant. He tends to be nasty. So striking the right balance in his demeanor and his tone is going to be critical for him to connect with this jury and have the jury embrace what he's saying.
What happens, J.D. Weintraub, when he says, well, look, you lied about saying that ninjas, after claiming you weren't there, you lied and you said ninjas broke in and killed. You were lying. And she goes, yes, because, and then she has a much better imagination than I do. She comes up with some incredibly good story as to why she lied all these times.
It doesn't matter why. The only point is that she lied when it's convenient for her. She lied when it's convenient for her, and that has to be his mantra. It doesn't even matter what her answers are going to be. His questions and his tone are what's going to be important. She didn't tell the truth. She didn't tell the truth. That's all that's going to matter.
Yeah, but a liar, as we learned in the Casey Anthony case, does not necessarily equal a murderer. John Lieber.
She's got a self-defense claim here, Jane. She's got to stick with the self-defense. What made her stab him 27 times? Did he have a knife on her? It's not more force than necessary to kill. That's the law.
Let's take a look, and while you're talking, let's take a